Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we are here with same topic like vocabulary practice. And today I make sentence on these vocabulary. And now I pick some easy vocabulary. So that's why I I can make sentence on these vocabulary. So let's make sentence with me and let's practice with me.
Okay, so let's continue with the same practice as we have been doing for so long. And I'm going to just tell you the words. You just have to make sentences using all those words. So let's get started. The first word is empty.
Empty. Every morning my mind is empty because my mind is empty and very fresh. So then I grab something new and I learn something new.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next word is expensive.
No, I make sentence two to three at least on
Yeah,
empty.
if you want, you can make two more sentences.
When I was learn scooty, at that time the road was empty.
So
It's
when I was
correct.
learning how to ride a scooty, not when I was learn scooty, when I was learning how to ride a scooty, the road was empty.
Yes.
Do you want to make one more sentence?
No, next.
Okay, next is expensive.
Okay. The iPhone brand is very expensive.
Any other sentence?
Expensive things are very glorious.
Okay. Any other?
Everyone not deserve everything. Everyone not deserve expensive thing.
नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कैसे बनाना है ये मैंने तेरे को बोला है प्रैक्टिस करने को.
Everyone doesn't. Everyone doesn't. Everyone doesn't deserve expensive things.
Why? Everyone deserves. Okay. Do you want to make any other sentence?
No.
Your mind is empty. Okay. Next is effort.
Effort. When we effort more and more, then we will definitely achieve our goals.
When we put effort. Any other sentence?
Success needs more efforts.
Right.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wait. Efforts. I effort. I daily efforts to improve my communication skill. Yes.
I really make efforts or put efforts.
Yes, I put efforts. I put daily efforts for improving my communication skill.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
Shall we proceed? Okay. The next is habit.
Habit. I am very habitual of reading English books.
That's habitual. Can you use habit?
Habit. Good habits are very important for everyone. And people easily grab bad habits because they easy to maintain and they very easy to maintain for anyone, and our mind easily grab bad habits.
We don't even have to maintain them. They're like already captivating. So, okay. The next word, and which is last, is cold.
Cold. Today I have feel. Today I have feel some cold.
I have feel or I feel cold.
Today I feel cold.
Okay. Anything else?
At winter season,
During winters.
during winter, there are many people facing cold problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
No. The water is very cold, so that's why I'm not drinking at every morning time.
In the morning, I don't
In the
drink
morning, yes.
the cold water. Okay. That's it.
That's it for today.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the simple words, guys. I want you to use and make sentences in the comment box. And tell us, how's your learning journey going? Are you very consistent with it, or are you still struggling with it? Though these days, I think people are feeling more lethargic, and that is why they are not able to maintain the consistency. At times, it feels difficult to maintain, and I would suggest you that no matter what happens, come rain or shine, just try showing up every day. And if not like many hours, but if possible, try practicing at least 15 minutes a day. That would also benefit you in a long time.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
complete this.
guys, then that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing.